I learned all 8 of these popular vegetable dishes from 5-star hotels. The last one is incredibly fragrant. First up, we have stir-fried oyster mushrooms. I think this dish tastes even better than meat. Oyster mushrooms aren't just delicious in soup. Our family especially loves them stir-fried this way, with just a little chili and garlic. They're savory, fragrant, and full of flavor, perfect with rice. Don't tear the oyster mushrooms apart yet. Soak them in salted water for a few minutes, then blanch them whole. Leaving them whole keeps them from absorbing too much water, so they won't release lots of water while stir-frying. Once blanched, tear them apart. Heat oil in a wok, stir-fry garlic, bird's eye chilies, and green pepper, then add the mushrooms. Seasoning is easy. Add a little salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then stir-fry quickly over high heat. Once they develop that smoky wok flavor, stir-fry for about another minute so they absorb the seasoning, and they're ready. The mushrooms come out dry, not watery, and packed with flavor. Second dish. Pay close attention. Next time you buy zucchini, make it this way. Many people have never even seen it, let alone tasted it. It's refreshing, nutritious, cuts through richness, and goes great with rice. Start with zucchini priced at 50 cents per half kilo. Cut it into thick slices, then into thick strips. Bring water to a boil, add the zucchini, plus a spoonful of salt and some cooking oil. This is the key to keeping vegetables bright green instead of black. Blanch for 2 minutes, drain, and set aside. Heat oil in a wok. Add the shredded pork, stir-fry until cooked through and separated. The key is shredded pickled mustard greens. Then add the zucchini. Add a little salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Toss over high heat until evenly mixed and seasoned, then serve. This zucchini is light, appetizing, and cuts through richness. Honestly, it tastes even better than meat. Third dish. If you ranked vegetable dishes, onion and egg stir-fry would be the ultimate rice companion. With today's method, you'll know after one try just how delicious it is. Cut the onion in half, then into evenly sized chunks. In a bowl, add a little light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon, plus a heaping spoonful of starch. Add some water, mix thoroughly, and set aside. Heat oil in the wok, then pour in 4 beaten eggs. I share simple home-style dishes every day. If you like them, please follow me. Whenever you crave a dish but don't know how to make it, you can always find me. Once the eggs are cooked, transfer them out. Leave some oil in the wok, add garlic and bird's eye chilies. Then add the onion and other ingredients.
翻炒至青菜断生后，倒入炒。
Return the cooked eggs, pour in the prepared sauce, and stir-fry over high heat until everything is evenly coated and seasoned. Make onion and eggs this way for a simple, delicious dish that's great with rice. Give it a try. Fourth dish. Come take a look, everyone. As the weather gets hotter, remember to give your kids more Chinese yam. Today I'll show you a new way to cook it. I bet 99% of people have never even seen it, let alone tasted it. It's refreshing, cuts through richness, and goes great with rice. First, peel the Chinese yam. Just 20 cents per half kilo. Don't throw away the peel. Then slice it thickly on the bias. Bring water to a boil. Add the yam and edamame for extra texture. Then add a spoonful of salt and some white vinegar. This is key to preventing the yam from oxidizing and turning black. Boil until just cooked, drain, and set aside. Heat oil in the wok. Add the shredded pork and stir-fry until cooked through and separated. The secret is a packet of shredded pickled mustard greens. Then add the yam. Add salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Toss over high heat until evenly seasoned, then serve. Made this way, the yam is crisp, appetizing, and cuts through richness. Honestly, it's better than a feast of meat and fish. Fifth dish. Slice the king oyster mushrooms, then cut them into strips. Boil for 30 seconds, then drain well. Add the ham sausage to the pan and stir-fry it a few times first. Then add the green chilies and stir-fry everything until fragrant. Add the blanched king oyster mushrooms, season with salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce, and stir-fry over high heat until flavorful. This crisp, tender king oyster mushroom and ham stir-fry is ready. Sixth dish. Stir-fried cabbage with glass noodles. This dish is fantastic with rice, but many people end up with it sticking to the pan and the glass noodles clump together. Here's a handy trick. Save this one. Boil the glass noodles for 3 minutes, then rinse them under cold water. Then toss them with cooking oil and dark soy sauce. That keeps them from clumping and helps them absorb the flavor. Heat oil in the wok and pour in the beaten eggs. I share simple home-style dishes every day. If you like them, please follow me. In a separate pan, stir-fry minced garlic and bird's-eye chilies until fragrant. Then add the cabbage and toss a few times. Next, add the glass noodles and cooked eggs. Season with salt, chicken bouillon, pepper, and light soy sauce. Turn the heat to high. Keep stir-frying for another minute, then serve. It's simple, easy, and delicious. This cabbage and glass noodle stir-fry won't clump or stick to the pan. The flavor really soaks in. If you want to try it, save this recipe and make it. 7th dish, listen up. Next time you buy lotus root, don't just use it to make soup. Here's a different way to cook it. It's crisp, refreshing, delicious, and perfect with rice. Cut the lotus root into small cubes, then add salt and a heaping spoonful of white vinegar. Add enough water to cover it and soak for 10 minutes. This is key to preventing oxidation and darkening. Heat oil in the wok. Add the edamame and stir-fry until the skins wrinkle slightly. Then add the lotus root and stir-fry until just cooked. The secret to this dish is shredded pickled mustard greens. Add some water and simmer for 5 minutes. Then season. Add salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry over high heat until well seasoned, then serve. Made this way, the lotus root is crisp and refreshing. It's perfect for this time of year, so give it a try. 8th dish, let me tell you. Next time you buy green beans, make them this way. They're incredibly fragrant and perfect with rice. Once the water boils, add the green beans. Add a spoonful of salt and some cooking oil. This trick keeps the beans bright green instead of dark. Blanch for 1 minute, then drain. Heat oil in the wok. Add 30 cents worth of pork belly and stir-fry until fragrant. Add minced garlic, dried chilies, then a spoonful of dry pot sauce. Stir-fry slowly until the sauce is fragrant, then add the green beans. Keep stir-frying over high heat for about 2 minutes, and it's ready. Made this way, dry pot green beans are fragrant, spicy, crisp, and perfect with rice. Save this recipe and give it a try.